Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix self app not working. So let's get started. So here you will directly search for the self app. Okay. So here we can see the self app. So if it's not working for you, you have to follow this instruction. Just press and hold it here. Then have to click on the app info or this I button and scroll down and see what the storage. Just click on here. Just click on clear data. Clear all the data. Then open it again. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work, then you have to click on your Google search bar. Then you have to search for the self app. Then click on here. Then here you have to see for the update. If it shows update, then click on the update and it should work. So by this way you can just solve it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.